Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add image with text section on our Shopify website. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, open themes and then click on the customize button of your theme that is live. So click on customize and then the Shopify theme customizer will open. Now, at the left side, you have the option panel wherein you can add new sections. So, click on add section. Now, over here, you need to search for image with text section. So, select this image with text section. Now, under this image with text section, you have the properties at the right side. You can add the image over here. You can change the image height and all. So now let's see how do we do that. For that, first we'll select a image. We can select from the images from the our system, or we can use the Shopify's images which are free. So let's click on explore free images. Now let's select one image. So I'll select men's fashion and I'll select this particular image and I'll click on select. So then the image will be added. You can see the preview over here. Now, if you see, there is an option called image height. Currently, it is set to adapt to the image. So the height of the image, basically, it's set to the original height of the image. If I change this to small, then it will be small. And if I change it to medium, then this image size will be medium and similar large. C. So let's take the original image size that to adapt to image. Now, desktop image width. So how much width we want? So small width, medium width, or we want large width. So we can change this. C. So let's go with large. Then desktop image placement. So what we want? Image first we want, that is currently the image is first only, or we want the image as second. We can change this. So let's do this image second. Now we have an option called desktop content position. So the currently it is top. If I select middle, then basically it will align the basically the text in the middle or at the bottom. See, you can see the basically the changes little bit only. Okay, let's keep it in middle. Then desktop content alignment. Currently it is left align. We can change it to center align or we can change it to right align. So let's keep center. Then we have content layout. Currently it is no overlap. That means the content is not overlapping each other. If I select overlap, then you'll see the content is overlapping the image. So let's say no overlap. And we have the color scheme, that is the background color. So I can change this. I can select whatever color we want. So let's select white only. Then we have animations. We have the image behavior, what we want. So on the load, the image will be having a animation. See, there you go. It's moving little bit if you see. That is ambient movement. Then we have the mobile layout. So let's select the mobile layout over here first. On mobile layout, what we want, we can align the content to center, right, or left. So let's go with center alignment. This looks better. And we can also change the basically the section padding, the top and bottom padding. So we can either increase or decrease it. See, I have decreased it. Now I can increase the top padding again. Similar for bottom also. I can change this. Then we have image with text. This is basically the block. The block, I can change the heading over here first. I'll say coolest fashion. I can change the heading size to small, medium, or large. I'll say small, medium basically. Then we have the description. I'll click on the description block and I can change this. I can give it basically I'll remove this and there is an option called generate text. Let's click on this. Now using the help of AI, I can write the description. So fashion for Gen Z, I'll say, and generate. And this will write the description for me. And I'll select this. Okay. So this is the description that I've added. And the text style, it's body or subtitle. Let's select subtitle. Then we have the CTA. CTA is click through action, that is the button. We can give it a name. So I'll say check offers, and we can give it a link for it on which page we want the user to be redirected after clicking the button. Let's say all collection. And this is how we basically add image with text section on the Shopify website. So let's save this. And now let's click on these three dots and let's click on the view button. In the new tab, our website homepage will open, and at the bottom we have added this image with text section. So there we go. It shows the basically the image with text section. It has the image at the right side and the heading at the left side, and we have the subtitle along with the button. On click of the button, the user will be redirected to collections page. So that's how simple it is to add image with text section on a Shopify website. So guys, if you love this video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications with my new videos. Also please like and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you.